Did you know milk can be turned into plastic?
And you only need 2 ingredients to make this happen, and you can find them in your kitchen. You'll need milk and distilled white vinegar.
First, you'll take 1 cup of milk, warm it in the microwave for about 1.5 minutes. You want it hot but not boiling.
Now I just put 4 tablespoons of white distilled vinegar into the warmed milk. And the milk, you'll start to see it will clump as the acid in the vinegar breaks down the protein in the milk. And you're going to stir here for about 1 minute. Now after the minute, you're going to strain the milk through a strainer. All the clumps will stay in the strainer, as you see, just like that. And you're just going to really push all of this to get the liquid out. Even if you have to pull this out and empty the remaining liquid, as I'm going to do right now. So here, most of the liquid is gone. This is when you're going to take a paper towel and push it on the plastic milk to get rid of the excess liquid before we transfer and shape it. Just like so. Finally, you transfer it to some paper towels like here, and continue to press all the liquid out of the plastic milk, and then we'll shape it with a cookie cutter from your closet and color it if you wish. I am using a candy cane cookie cutter because I don't really have any other ones, so we're choosing to use our dye colors red and green. We used a cookie cutter and then added a few drops of food coloring. All you have to do now is wait a few days and it will be hard as plastic. You can use it for decoration, or it could be, tossed in the garbage. However, it is fun for the kids to figure out how to make plastic with just 2 ingredients. All right, thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your Tuesday.